Welcome back on a Monday evening. Hope you had an awesome weekend. We are back again talking about blockchain solutions, cryptocurrencies, and of course, how to invest better. We are live via Temper Crypto TV on a Monday evening. As you are coming through, please indicate on the comment section where you're watching this live broadcast from. Do tell us no. Do tell us where you coming from, your city, your province, and of course, it could be your country if you're outside South Africa. Welcome back. We are live here. We're talking all the good news. We've got one of the most interesting topic today. We always do. We always have some
Yes.
interesting topics. Um, yes, show us some love there. Show us some love, likes, give us some love, guys. It give us some energy. All right, welcome back, Cindy, Crypto Cindy. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. And how are you, Crypto King?
I'm great. How was your weekend?
Very short, but I'm glad we're here. We are just so much in the energy. Last week we were speaking every single day, then we had to take the gap on the weekend, so it was quite boring, but here we are again.
Yeah. We have to keep moving forward. Of course, we've got Musa Dumagote from Durban, all the way from Durban. Welcome
Yes.
to the live show, sir. Welcome. Please invite your friends. Tell them we are live via Temper Crypto TV. Share this live broadcast to everyone, to your teams, to your groups, to your pages. Just click the button, share, so that everyone can come here and we learn all together. There's some interesting news today that we're going to share with you, with everyone. So, yeah, we want everyone to be here when we break this news.
Yes.
All right, what are we having today, Crypto Cindy? What did we discuss last week's Friday?
Okay,
That
so
was our last day.
last week, Friday, we were only talking about NFTs. So we're explaining what NFTs are, how to trade NFTs, why are they important, and we were just introducing everybody to this term because we've been hearing this term everywhere. People talking about NFTs, and people are thinking maybe it's one crypto. So there's just a big confusion. So we had to unwrap that and make sure that as we go forth, when we're speaking of the term NFTs, we know that our family members and the family that we're with now understands exactly what an NFT is going forth.
Great stuff. It's a new day, it's a new week,
Yes.
about to be a new month.
Yes,
What
just
are,
one
are you
one more day to
positive?
go.
Are you
Yes,
positive
I
for the month?
am.
Are you positive for the day?
Yes, we are positive for the new month that's coming. It's spring. So we're actually hoping that all things will be blossoming in our lives. Not only are we going to be in spring because of season, but also in our finances. So we're expecting our crypto finances to be blossoming also.
All right. So does that mean winter is going? Do we have winter in crypto? Do we have winter?
Not really. We don't have it big. We don't have a winter because it's winter and it's cold and our money is not doing well in crypto, no. But just as people, when it's winter, we just become so boring and stuff and we just walk around with towels and blankets. So in spring and summer, we are more relaxed and I think we are actually even going to be getting more viewers because of the spring coming in and people will be expecting their bonuses in December and stuff. So people want to have the knowledge of what exactly will they be doing with their money going forth and investing. So it's a very good time to start investing.
Since you're talking about bonuses in December, are you implying that the best way to keep those bonuses or to channel those bonuses is in the crypto space? Do you think
Yes.
people would have made mistake? They would make a mistake if they invest on the crypto space with their bonuses?
I don't think they'll be making a mistake by investing in crypto. I think this is the best decision ever. That's an investment, actually. If they put some of the money into crypto, they will see great results. Because now, what we've actually seen currently in the economy is that we cannot actually be depending on one income. So having many streams of income has actually showed us a necessity, especially because of the COVID that we are in currently. So people investing in crypto with whatever they can, there's no minimum, there's no maximum. So just investing is not only for you, but it's also for your kids. It's just for financial freedom, actually.
Welcome back, everyone. We are live here at Temper Crypto TV. We're talking blockchain solutions, cryptocurrencies, trading, and investing. We want you to be a better and the best trader in the world. So, yeah,
Yes.
stay with us here, be with us here every single day. We are live at 7 p.m. without any excuse. So, yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Go to our YouTube channel, Empire Crypto TV. There's so many educational videos that you can actually look at on our YouTube channel. So, yeah, go there, subscribe, and start learning. I've been emphasizing people to really buy data, invest on data, have good data. So yeah, I'm using fiber data. If you can also follow suit, use fiber or any other type of data that you might be using, but which is reliable. So that when you are streaming, when you are watching videos on YouTube, you do not worry about all this data depleting, but you can actually go through. There's so much information you can learn on the crypto space, but of course, be prepared on that. Welcome back,
Yes.
and let's get moving. Crypto Cindy, introduce what's the topic for the day.
So today we'll be talking about altcoins. Altcoin is just one of the words that we've been hearing everyone speaking about altcoin. We also, some people are thinking maybe an altcoin is some kind of a Bitcoin or it's a competition of Bitcoin. So today we'll just be unpacking the word altcoin.
Altcoin.
Yes.
All right, watching live from Molwen Hillcrest. Welcome, Spusiso Jovia. Welcome to the Empire Crypto TV show. We surely going to share with you so much informative stuff here. We're going to make sure that you do not leave this channel empty-handed. All right, altcoins. What are altcoins? Let me just give a brief of what altcoins are. The
Yes.
term altcoin is a combination of two words. All right, let me just see if I can. All right. Where is it? Did you? Okay. All right, the term altcoin is a combination of two words, alt and coin, where alt means alternative and coin means cryptocurrency. Altcoins are cryptocurrencies are any other than Bitcoin. They share characteristics with Bitcoin, but are also different from them in other ways. Those are altcoins. Alternative coin, cryptocurrency coin. All right, some of the main types of altcoins include mining-based cryptocurrencies, stable coins, security tokens, and utility tokens. As of March 2021, there was almost 9,000 cryptocurrencies, according to Coin Market Cap. 9,000 cryptocurrencies. Wow. Okay, altcoins accounted for 40% of the total cryptocurrency market in March 2021. Analysts say the maturity of cryptocurrency investing ecosystems and the development of new markets for these coins will make price movements for altcoins independent of Bitcoin's trading signals. Okay, all right. Crypto Cindy, 9,000
Yes.
coins in the space.
There- There's actually more now. And the reason for that is mainly because remember what we spoke about previously. We spoke about that crypto is actually about solving blockchain. We said blockchain is all about solving problems. So there are so many problems in this world. There are so many people coming up with different solutions. And those are the things that make us see that there is so much coins, so many cryptocurrencies, and some we've never even heard of, some we will never even hear of.
All right. Altcoins a good investment. I mean, we have seen Bitcoin what it can do, and I've heard so many people saying, you know what, I'm only here for Bitcoin. I'm only investing on the Bitcoin. Don't really look at other coins, alternative coins. Uh, Only
Yes.
here for Bitcoin. Would you say altcoins are a good investment?
So basically, remember, altcoins are just like they're not different from stocks, they're not different from bonds and other private companies. So at the end of the day, we are still investing in crypto. So that means that there's a high risk. So it's exactly like Bitcoin. So you wouldn't say that I'm running away from Bitcoin. I'm only doing altcoins because these are better. So they're the same actually.
Okay, so Bitcoin and altcoins, they the same, they behave the same in terms of
Yes.
fluctuation and in terms of
Yes. Of the risk
movements.
involved. Yes.
Okay, you keep on talking about risk. What are the risks? You keep on talking. You make me wonder.
No, so the reason why I would say risk is I'm just trying to state that let's say today we are buying Bitcoin for 10 rands, for example. Let's say we are buying Bitcoin, one Bitcoin is worth 10 rands. Then tomorrow we wake up, the price is 5 rands. Now, that is basically a loss of 5 rands if I had to sell it. If I'm saying, okay, now I just want to take the 5 rands that is left and the other 5 rands, it's fine, it's gone. So that is the risk I'm willing to take. But now, so that's what I mean by saying risk. But we never know. The following day, we can wake up and the price can be 20 rands.
Mm,
But some people
okay.
don't have patience. Some people are not as patient as others. Some people want to see prices going high, high, high. The minute the price goes down, they start running and saying, I'm cashing out whatever I can right now and going home.
All right. No, great stuff. Before we go any further, you mentioned earlier that you've got good news for us, especially the viewers that were here on Friday, and we're giving out some money, some money, some money. Can you actually show us who are the winners for Friday? Who are the winners? We always have money here at Temper Crypto TV. We value our family. Okay, who are these the winners? Can you
These are
say
the
something?
winners. I just want you to see them. We have got winners for Friday. So each of them have actually won themselves 100,000 Shiba Uni coins just because they subscribed on our YouTube channel and they also wrote there that they have subscribed. So all you need to do to be a winner, you just need to subscribe and write under this video that you have subscribed. And you can be one of 10 lucky viewers to be shown tomorrow as the winners. So the winners for last week Friday, we've got them as we've got Shaggy, we've got Mickey, we've got Lunge Longuna, we've got Smoo, we've got Smusiso Mavunda, we've got Ntabiseng Sheldon. So here are their names. Please contact us and we'll just need you to send us your wallet, your Shiba Uni wallet. And if you don't have it yet, just contact me on this video. You can just contact me and then I will actually assist you as to how you can open a wallet if you don't have one.
All right, great stuff. So they have just won 100,000 Shiba Inu coins straight to their
Yes.
wallets just
Yes.
by subscribing on our YouTube channel.
Yes, just by subscribing.
Mm, okay. All right. There we go. We've got Musa the Giant says, I've subscribed and like this video. All right. Yes, Musa, go there and say subscribed also on the video just below this video. Say I've subscribed, and then you might be one of the 10 winners
For tomorrow.
that will
Yes.
be announced by tomorrow. Just like
Yes.
that, then 100,000 Shiba Inu coins straight to your wallet. Mm,
Yes.
okay. Now, Christoph, let's continue with the business of the day. Crypto Cindy, is it better to buy Bitcoin or altcoins? Or which one is better? I mean, there's like I mentioned earlier that there's always that comparison. People saying, you know what, I'm just here to invest on Bitcoin. I'm not looking at these other coins. There are too much. There's too much noise on these other coins, and there are a lot of them. You might actually end up investing on a very bad coins or on shit coins, so to say, the way that we can actually discuss later on this live. What would you say?
Okay. So basically, remember, Now, the price of Bitcoin is very sure is quite high currently, and there's also some transactional fees that you need to pay when you're buying or you're sending your crypto. So people would take that as a higher risk, and then other people would look at altcoins as another solution, mainly because they are quite cheaper. None of them is actually the same price as a Bitcoin. They're quite cheaper and they're quite faster in terms of transactions. So maybe instead of you buying a fraction of the Bitcoin, you can get maybe two of the other altcoins, or you can actually even get more because they also differ in prices. So other people see that as a better solution in terms of that.
So you mean buying altcoins, they're quite cheaper than the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is already expensive at this point in time.
Yes,
All right. Would you say you buy altcoins because of they're cheap, or because of what's behind the projects behind those coins? What would you advise people? Yes, I've came across such a question to say, send me the cheaper coins that I
yes,
can actually buy. My response is always, yes, you might look at the cheaper coins, but you must go beyond
beyond that,
looking at cheaper
exactly.
prices. You must look into the projects behind those coins, look at use
Yes,
cases behind those coins, because it's no use buying a cheaper coin, but it's not really gonna be here in the next 2, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. I remember back in 2017, there are coins that we bought that were making a lot of noise. But the other day I checked on CoinMarketCap, I checked everywhere to see if those coins are still existing. Some, guess what? Some
mm.
have gone, some they
You
no longer
see,
exist, some they're no longer in the space. So it's not only about buying a cheaper
low.
coin because
Yes,
it costs 10 cents, because it costs 1 rand, but looking
yes,
at what project is behind, what is the use case of that coin, and of course looking at the founders, their
yes,
credibilities, what are they,
yes.
what have they achieved before and stuff. Would you agree on that?
Yes, I would definitely agree on that. And I'd also like to add something. As you're saying that, we must also look at who are the founders, who are the people working on that project, who are the companies that are backing that project. And also something that I've actually also noticed with us people is uh we listen to people. So if there's a hype around a coin, we don't actually even go and do research as to what is going on with that thing. So just because there are so many people talking about this, maybe on Facebook or wherever on social media, or you hear people saying, "Hey, I'm going to buy this," you don't even check why are they buying it, what's so important about it. Then you rush and spend your money. 3 months, 6 months down the line, it's gone. So it's very important to do your own research. No matter the hype or what's going on or how many people are saying they're going to spend how much on that coin, make sure that you do your research and you do the right thing. Before you put your money, you know exactly what you're investing in, what is going on in that project, and you actually also can tell by the time frame. If that thing is just bringing a solution that is short term, then why are you investing for it with big money or for long term? So make sure you understand exactly what you are doing or what you're going into at first. So yes, I agree with you. It's not all about how much that coin is worth, but it's all about why is the project there? Why is it in existence?
Great stuff. And of course, the next question would be like, are there companies accepting altcoins or using altcoins? Where can we buy altcoins? Where can we find altcoins?
Okay. So basically, there are companies that are accepting altcoins. So there's a wide range of them. I'll just give you a few, but there's so many that are accepting them. But you can also check on you can Google search them. So we've got companies like Coin Payments. There's a company called Now Payments. It's actually a payment gateway. So it's more like an online platform whereby people can put in their things and people can buy. So you can now use altcoins there. So yes. And how do you buy altcoins? Altcoins are exactly like Bitcoin. How the same way you buy Bitcoin, you'll need to have a wallet, you need to register an account. The same thing happens with an altcoin. You register an account, you pay for it according to how that platform you are buying the altcoin from requires you to make payment.
Christoph, we've got on the screen there Sochi Captain from Lesotho. Is it the same Sochi who won 100,000 Shiba Inu coins?
Yes, this is our number one actually. This is number one that won.
Okay, have you spoken to him in terms of
No, I didn't get.
transacting?
No, he has not said anything to me, and I also tried getting hold of him, but I couldn't. But I think I'll be able to now.
Okay, no, Christoph, what you
Yes.
only have to do, go to our YouTube channel, press subscribe button, and by tomorrow we'll be announcing the winners of 100,000 Shiba Inu coins, just like that. So yeah, we always have money for everyone. Cryptocurrency market rewards everyone. All
Yes.
right. There's been so much talk about this term, shit coins.
Yes.
What are shit coins?
Shitcoins just exactly means what you are saying. It's just, it has no value. So it has no value, it has no digital currency. So it actually doesn't solve any problem. So those are just currencies which are there but are not solving any problem. So they are just there because of they decided to put them there. Then people run and put their money into it. Then 2, 3 months, 5 months down the line, it's gone. It had no purpose. That is a shitcoin.
All right, I'll say shitcoins also, just to add on top what you just said. Shitcoins are those companies, projects that come into the space just to collect people's money. They are
Yes.
not really companies. They might appear very legit. They might appear with so much fanfare, very attractive, but
Yes.
behind the owners or the founders, they know that this project is not gonna last. We have
Yes.
seen it in this crypto space. So many of these companies come into the space, and those coins, they easily can actually go up in value. I mean, they can actually go from 10 cents to $1 to $10 to 500 US dollars within a very short period of time, just
Yeah.
to entice everyone, just to entice the investors to come on board.
Yes.
But within a very short period of time, also, they just disappear out of our face, out of the crypto face. That's
Yes.
the trend. We've seen it. So yeah, it's always very much advisable not to invest in shit coins, coins that do not have use cases, coins that they just disappear. Mostly the characteristic of these coins, when the market goes bearish, they just run
Yes.
80% negative,
Yes.
90% negative. Those coins, they when the market starts shaking, they just run down and then disappears.
Then
in
disappear.
fact i would say uh, in fact i would say um they run down and out. It's a strategy from the
Yes.
founders to make sure
Yes.
when there's a bear market, they just disappear. I understand. It's an
Yes.
exit strategy.
I think they
So
have something like a target. I think maybe they've got a target of maybe saying we are collecting 1 million US dollars. Then they know that if we are taking our price from 10 cent and in 24 hours and we're telling people that it's now 50 cents, everyone will see that how if I invested yesterday, I would have now gotten so much. Then people start flushing in money, putting money there. Next thing the following day, it's on negative. So they are reaching a target. They make sure they know the time frame. They know that okay, now if we do this, this is what's going to happen. We'll get the money we need, then we go.
great stuff, great stuff. We are live here at Empire Crypto TV. We're talking blockchain solutions, cryptocurrencies, trading and investing. We want you to be a better trader and investor. Do you let us know where you're watching this live broadcast from? Do say something on the comment section. Mention your city, mention your area, mention your country if you're outside South Africa. One day we might drop by your area and then holler at you. So yeah, we're becoming a family here. We are a family here. We go up together. We grow up together. We make everything possible together. So yes, let's keep in touch. Let's keep in contact. All right, Crypto Cindy, tell us your 5 picks, 5 altcoins to watch for, five altcoins that you just brought to us today.
Okay. So the five top altcoins that I'm bringing up is Litecoin. Currently, the price is on 172 US dollars. And then we've got the Neo coin that is currently sitting on 53 US dollars. Then we've got Stellar. Stellar is currently sitting on 34 cents. And we've got Ethereum that is currently sitting on 3,267 US dollars. And then we've got the Dogecoin that is currently sitting on 28 cents. So
All
those are
right,
the picks.
Christoph, give us a background of each of these coins. We might not cover all of them, but just a few of them. Give us a bit of a background of these coins so that we get familiar with these coins.
Okay. So Litecoin was launched in 2011 by Charlie Lee. That is a former employee from Google. So he was involved in the software of the Litecoin and also is very interested in Bitcoin. So they actually made Litecoin to be quite faster than Bitcoin. So they saw an opportunity from Bitcoin and they've created Litecoin now. So they're actually stating to us that it only takes about 10 minutes to mine a block of Bitcoin compared to Litecoin. So Litecoin is quite faster. So it will take if it will take 10 minutes to create a block of Bitcoin, that means it will take about 5 minutes to create one of Litecoin. So it's half. So they've increased the speed of everything from their side to make it easier. So that is Litecoin. So Litecoin is more similar to Bitcoin, but a bit faster.
Okay,
And
and you mentioned Neo at the beginning.
yes,
Neo.
Neo, yes.
Is it a Chinese coin? Must we be worried or?
We shouldn't be worried. We shouldn't be worried. We're using phones from China. We are not worried. We are using so many electronics from China in our houses and we are not worried, guys. So let's not be worried. The headquarters is in China. Yes, it's there. And the reason it was actually created, there was a vision just to help create and support a new digital smart economy. So that's the reason why NEO was made. So it was just made also, you see, now they talk about digital smart economy, which goes back to now Bitcoin using so much energy to be made. So NEO was kind of something like a solution to that also.
All right, let's talk about Ethereum. I would not really feel good if we just pass by without talking about the Ethereum, which is one of the best coin in the space, the second
Yes.
largest coin, I would say,
Yes, it is.
on the crypto space.
Yes.
So, can you give us some bit of background on that coin so that our viewers can get educated on this? Remember, this is for you guys. This is for you to get educated. We're actually here to make sure that we move at the same direction. Everyone does grasp this cryptocurrency market. What is it to do? What is the solution behind? And everything. So, yeah, learn as much as you want.
Okay. So Ethereum was first proposed in 2013 by a programmer, and then it only went live in 2015. So you can see for the 2 years before it went live, there was so much work put into that just to make sure that they gave us something very good and solid. I think also the performance so far would tell us it's been second to Bitcoin and it's doing very well. The prices has been going very well from last year, yeah, compared to last year till now. It's actually been doing very well in terms of the price. So
Okay.
it's very good.
All right, just give us a brief of Dogecoin, the meme coin. We've seen beginning of this year there was so much noise from Elon Musk endorsing this coin, Dogecoin.
Yes.
Is he the owner? Is he the owner of Dogecoin? Or what's happening? Why is he so excited about this coin? Or is he just taking chances on this market also?
I don't think it belongs to him exactly like Bitcoin. He was very involved in the Bitcoin price going high and coming back low. So I don't think it's his coin. Other people are also saying that the coin maybe might be belonging to Snoop Doggy Dog. So there have been so many people just giving hints and saying it belongs to this one, it belongs to that one, but I don't think that's true. So this coin, we've also seen it doing amazing. So there were so many people talking about it this year, talking about the price going high. Some people went and jumped in and bought it just because some people were now getting so rich in a short period of time because of that dog coin. But it's not very so much involved like the other ones bringing a solution because of something that has been made by Bitcoin. But it was just something that was I saw somewhere they said there was something that was supposed to be like a joke, and it's now this joke has kept people smiling to the banks, smiling alone, and it is still there even now.
Mm, okay. Let's look into the future outlook for altcoins. Is there a future for altcoins, or is something that is a bubble? You know, it's something that is here today, it's going to be gone tomorrow. And of course, looking at the investments, money pouring into this market, it will leave so many crying if it's a bubble, if it's something that is here today and is gone tomorrow. What would you say? What's your observation on that?
Okay, so I think I've got mixed emotions about it. I don't think it's something that we can wake up tomorrow and it's all gone. Mainly because it's not one coin. It's not one coin that is called an altcoin, but there are so many solutions that are grouped as altcoins. So I think that we are still going to be seeing a lot of altcoins, not only because of the prices going up and stuff, but I think that because of the solutions that they are bringing onto the space, that is the reason why we will still have them. So we'll still have them tomorrow. We'll still have them next year. Probably, as we can see now, Ethereum is number two. Maybe one day we can wake up and Ethereum is number one. We don't know. But it's definitely not going anywhere because we have been saying every day that crypto is not coming here, but crypto is here already and it's here to stay.
All right, no, great stuff, great stuff. Yes, before we go on breaking news, the next one is breaking news now. Um, do you remind us of the winners on for Friday? Can you display them on the screen? Are they closer there? Display
Yeah.
them on the screen. You might find out some of them were not here. They just arrived. Just go through in brief.
Okay, so these are the winners for Friday. All they did to win 100,000 US, sorry, 100,000 Shiba unicorns is they just subscribed and they actually wrote under the video for Friday that they have subscribed. So the winners we have Soy Captain, we've got Mickey, we've got Lungelo Nkuna, we've got Sbu, we've got Sbusiso Mavundla, and we've got Ntabiseng Sheldon. So these are the people that won on Friday, but everyone that has subscribed today and has actually wrote under the video today that they have subscribed will be announced with the winners for tomorrow. So we'll only be giving out 10. So it's only 10 winners per day, and each winner will be getting 100,000. Sorry, it's 100,000 Shiba unicorns. I almost said we are giving away 100,000 US dollar coins.
You keep on saying that you want to. I mean, you want this company to go down. Empire Crypto TV. Imagine 100,000 euros
Yes, to 10 winners a day.
to 10 winners a day.
But I'm
Yo,
actually not wrong. Remember, we are talking about crypto. We are giving away coins. So if they keep these coins in their wallets and probably they even add more coins if they can, or they can just hold these coins. In future, they are going to remember me and say that I prophesized and said that they will have so much money.
no, Christoph, it's all positive in the crypto space.
Yes.
Anything can happen. We are living in an exciting world.
Yes.
What an exciting era. What an exciting time to be alive. We see cryptocurrency market making people so much rich. We have seen it with our own eyes. We have witnessed it. We are living testimonies ourselves. The cryptocurrency
Yes.
market is really working. People are making good money, real money in the real world. So, yeah,
Yes.
you must also investigate, research, do your own research, and come on board if you are not really on board yet. This is the market for the future. I hate to say the future for the future because we are living the cryptocurrency market now instead of like keep on talking about the future. It's now, it's happening now. What would
Yes.
you say?
Yes, I fully agree with you that future is there's no we can't be saying it's the future. It's now. It's starting now, preparing for the future. So if you jump in now, you're at an advantage rather than somebody that's going to jump in 10 years from now and say, if only I had listened to them in 2021 and jumped in. So it's
All
the
right.
future, but it starts now.
Okay. The best time to join the cryptocurrency market was back in 2009. The next best time to join the cryptocurrency market is
Yes,
when?
it's now.
Is today.
Today. Now, 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 now.
All right.
Yes.
What are the breaking news? What do you have for us? What are the latest in the crypto space? What are the
Okay.
hot news?
So the hot news now that we've got in the crypto space is that Citi is awaiting regulatory approval to start trading in Bitcoin. So Citi is Citibank, it's Citi Group, as you can see there. So they've actually shown some interest in the crypto market and they are busy there. They are arranging a team. So they're currently hiring people to be part of their cryptocurrency team, which is going to be based in London. So these people will be based in London for now, but we know that Citigroup is actually a big group that's not only based in London, but it's almost everywhere in the world. I know them. They've got a branch in Senton, in West Street. So they are quite familiar with the financial markets. So they are now jumping into the crypto boat with us.
Hmm. Okay. Tell us more about Citibank. What is Citibank exactly? And I mean, it sounds like it's a bank. Are banks coming on board? Are you talking of a Capitec Bank? Is Citibank Capitec Bank or something? Is
No,
it another name for Capitec Bank?
no, this is not Capitec Bank. This is bigger than Capitec Bank. Okay, so Citibank is actually from the group that I've said earlier. It's called Citi Group. Then in that City Group, they've got subdivisions, and Citibank is part of them. So it was founded in 1812. By then, me and you were not even known to be that we would be alive one day. That's when Citibank was created, and it comes from New York. So it has actually got so much background in the financial world that now it's coming into crypto. And another thing that I know about Citibank is that Citibank doesn't take ordinary people. It's not everybody that goes and walks in into Citibank and opens a bank account. You need to have a certain amount of money. It's real money that they need there just for you to open an account. So you can't go there with 500 rand and say, I want to open an account like Capitec, maybe 50 rand or something. No, this is something big. These people, the people that go there that have bank accounts, they are multimillionaires. So
Hmm.
it's quite a huge bank.
All right, yes, Empire Fam. We are live here at Empire Crypto TV. We bring all this news for you so that you can become a better trader. Please subscribe on our YouTube channel. Go to Empire Crypto TV on YouTube and subscribe. And of course, we give you an opportunity here to comment, make a comment here, ask something, ask some questions. If you don't understand something, do make use of the comment section, say something, and then we can actually respond to you live here, right now, right here. So yeah, we want everyone to really make it up in this market. All right.
Yes.
How many clients do Citibank have? You mentioned that is one of the biggest bank in the world. It
Yes.
doesn't take small people, small guys, small investors. It's for high-end clients, clientele. How many users does it have? What's their database?
So currently they are the global leaders in payments. So they've got about 132 million accounts. So this is worldwide. So these are the account holders, clients. They've got 132 million clients, and their annual turnover is actually around 505 billion US dollars annually.
Mm. What does that mean for the crypto space if 132 million accounts? get subjected to the crypto space, get channeled into the crypto space. What does it mean for the crypto market?
This actually, just by them showing interest in crypto, means that crypto is going somewhere. And I also read somewhere whereby they were stating that the reason why they are now they are involving themselves in the crypto market is because of their customers. So their customers have been asking about it and querying about it. So they've actually seen that so many people are interested in this crypto, and now we are not willing to lose these clients, but we want to gain more. So this means that now in the crypto space, we are getting more people will be coming in. Now the prices of our crypto are going to be going high, and the market cap will be going high. So it's actually a great future ahead for the crypto market if there is such interest.
Wonderful. Now let's go to market analysis. Let's check on the markets, what's going on the markets at the dawn of today. Let's just let me share this screen and see if we can pull up coin market cap page. All right. We see Bitcoin at the moment is for today is trading around $48,000. It's still shy. Bitcoin is still shy to cross 50,000. It crossed, but it's still like want to play around. Still trending
Yes.
around 48,000 US dollars. Do you think it can go up from here, or it can just lose some pressure and go down?
I think it will still be going up. I've got so much faith in Bitcoin. I just see it going high. It will definitely be going high. I don't think it has reached its ceiling and now it's going down. No, I think the sky is still the limit. We are still going higher.
All right, no, Christoph. We see Ethereum also still pulling at 3,269 US dollars, which
Yes.
is 2% of the 24-hour period, and the obvious 2% negative for in the past 7 days. It looks like when you check into in the past 7 days, the markets are actually um, a bit down, 2%,
Yes.
5%, 10% down. Most of these coins. Looking at the top 10 coins, we see Binance coin at 1% down in the past 24 hours, and of course 5% in the last 7 days. All right, and then okay. But there's nothing to worry about in the market. The market is still very much
Yes.
alive. It's still very much bullish. I would say that.
Yes.
So there are no alarming bells. There are no alarming bells to say, oh, you know what? Let me. Of course, traders, short-term traders, scalpers, if they are
Yes.
scalpers, of course, they are just taking smaller nyana profits, 1%, 2%, 3% profits. When the market is trending, scalpers enjoy a lot. I mean, they will be like taking small percentages,
Yes.
depending on different trading strategies. But for long term, they're just quiet, watching from a distance,
Yes.
checking the whether the market is breaking, going up or breaking downwards. But yeah, look, there's no alarms. Like I said, it's still very much positive. Okay, great
Yes.
stuff. Anything else before we close? Shall we check on the comment section? Are there any questions? Are there any comments that we can highlight that we can actually discuss about?
No, I'm not seeing anything. The last comment is the one that I see there from Yashir, and he is from Ghana, University of Ghana.
Oh, great stuff from all the way from Ghana. All the way
Yes.
from crypto is universal. Crypto is not
Yes.
only a South African product or
Yes.
only Canadian product or Chinese product. It's universal. It's worldwide. Anyone can join crypto from all over the world, from anywhere in the world,
Yes.
and participate in this market. It's the same language, same journey, same language, same test, same. What would you say? Qedela.
Yes, I would actually say that crypto is one of those things that bring us together. This is something that is relevant to everyone that is living at this time now. So, irrespective of where you are physically, we all are having the same crypto. We are all speaking about the same Bitcoin. When we speak about the price I'll be saying is the same price that he will be seeing in Ghana. So, it's something that's universal, something that brings us together, something that we're all looking forward to seeing in future, making us better people. So, crypto is real.
All right, crypto. Um, all right. Watching from Josine. Okay. All right. Um, all right. And then welcome, Nokolo. Welcome. I bet Lungelo always invites you to the live show. And welcome to the show. And of course, go to our YouTube channel, subscribe and write subscribed under this video. By tomorrow, you may be one of the people that get announced as the winners. So, yeah, go
Yes.
to our YouTube channel, subscribe, and write subscribed under this YouTube video. Then you win yourself 100,000 Shiba Inu coins. All right, there's it goes. Someone is asking, is blockchain not centralized? Um, Look, blockchain is not really centralized. Blockchain is decentralized. That's the nice part of it.
Yes.
Blockchain, these are blocks that are actually shared on each and every computer that are all over the world. That's blockchain. Blockchain, this is the information data which is stored on all computers all over the world. And the nice part about it, he says, it cannot be corruptible because you cannot, when your information is stored on blockchain, it's, it's shared with all computers all over the world. So you cannot really attack all computers all over the world same time to
Yes.
corrupt or to try and steal some information. You cannot do that. So that's the better and nicest part of about blockchain. We'll discuss about blockchain some other time. I think this week will you organize a what's your schedule? Will you organize a topic about blockchain? So that we can educate our viewers, Empire FM here.
Yes, we can actually do that. So I think we can squeeze that in between Thursday and Friday, but we'll confirm when we'll be talking about blockchain and unpacking what blockchain is.
All right, no, great stuff, great stuff. Please do tell us how can people make money? How can people win 100,000 Shiba in coins before we close? Can you take us that just in a brief?
So all they need to do is they just need to subscribe, write under the comment on the video that they have subscribed, and they can actually be one of the winners. There we've got these winners. They actually subscribed on Friday and they wrote under our video that they've subscribed and they are getting themselves 100,000 Shiba unicorns. So all you need to do, just do the same, subscribe there, write on the comments that you've subscribed, and you might be one of our winners that we'll be announcing tomorrow.
All right, great stuff. That's it. Great show indeed. Thank you so much, Crypto Cindy, for your insights and views on this market. We are going up together. We are soldiers. We are comrades in the crypto space. We are comrades in arms. Yes, you have shared so much here with our fam, with our viewers. Let's meet again tomorrow. Let's be here again. We are live at 7 p.m. on Empire Crypto TV. For you not to miss these live shows, because some days will not be live on Facebook, will be live direct on YouTube. So go on to YouTube and subscribe so that you always in contact, you always in touch, you do not miss all this powerful information being shared here for free.
Yes. And tomorrow we'll be talking about crypto changing people's lives for the good. So we'll just be talking about how crypto is changing people's lives, people that have joined in the past years, what's going on with them, and we will see exactly where we are heading.
You do not want to miss tomorrow's show. Make sure that you invite everyone, invite your family, you invite your teams, your groups, invite your colleagues, everyone here on Empire Crypto TV at 7 p.m. That's it for today. Same time tomorrow. Crypto is the future. I'm out.
Yes. Thank you very much. We out.